Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can compare a definition with others in this study to identify which are identical or different. And this is especially useful in the case that you have many approaches, like this example, and you have made changes to the definition. For instance, in this approach, we have our input variables, our output responses, and now I want to make sure that all of these different approaches have the same configuration. Okay, now another useful case in here is that, for instance, in this case I have a discrete variable, okay, and maybe in this one I have the same variable but as continuous, and I don't want to spend time modifying all of my different approaches by hand. Okay, I want to find an easy way to do this. So for example, if we go to this fractional factorial resolution 4, we go to definition and we have this compare tab. We see that our fractional factorial is different from all of our different approaches. In this case, I just want to make sure that the input variables are the same as compared to the setup. So let's hit this one, and this one will compare all of the definitions. So we have the model, the conditions, the variables, and we're interested in this one because we want to have that variable as discrete. So we select this one from the setup, and we want to sync it. Now let's say that another example is that in here I have 4 output responses, and in this fractional factorial resolution 5 I only have 3. I can also do this comparison, so let's compare this one against the fractional factorial 4. Let's go ahead and go to the output responses, and I can see this one is different. So I copy this one, close, and if I go ahead to my output responses, I can see that I have it here. The only thing is that in this case, this output response doesn't have the values in here. So what I can do is go to evaluation task and deactivate write execute, and we only want to extract our output response. So let's go ahead and evaluate task, and we are going to extract our output responses again. And now that it is done, we can see that all the values have been extracted for our last response. And we can do the same for all of our different approaches. We can compare against each other and see how they are different or similar. Thank you.